Twitter goes berserk over Nasty C's hashtag strings and bling. Nasty C's highly anticipated sophomore album Stings and Bling finally dropped at the stroke of midnight on Friday morning. And, damn, it sent the Twitter streets into a complete frenzy. Even before the album dropped, it had already topped the Twitter trends list, as fans shared their excitement over it. The likes of Casper Nyovest, aka Rouge, and other hip-hop heads showed support ahead of Nasty's big release. When the album finally dropped, aka shared the track list and said that it was a big year for the culture. The 17-track album is available for download on iTunes, and judging by the reaction on Twitter, fans are obsessed. Minutes after it dropped, Nasty said it was an emotional moment for him. Fans have filled his TL with comments about how the album has stirred up all sorts of emotions within them.